For the installation, we need to check if the direction is right. You can see at the back there has two screws. One is left and the other is right. It depends on your door, and you just turn 180 degrees to set the direction into the right one you want, and it is same as the back one. And now let's look at lock body. It is very easy to install. To change the direction, just put inside and turn 180 degrees. Now it is set the bolt direction. And for the single bolt, it is very easy to set. Now let's set the spindle. There has a wire in the middle of the hole. Now take it out and then put the spindle inside the hole, and then I use the wire to go through the hole and type it. Now there has a triangle. You must to type it very tight, and then it will not move. Also to type the upper and low bottom screw tightly. And then let's see the spindle. There has a triangle on the bottom of the hole. Okay, then let's go to the final one to install the lock body. Now you can use the machine to drill the hole of the door if it's too big or small, and put inside it and to type the screw tightly. Then it's okay and finish it. Thank you. Step is to install the panel into the door. Now the first to install the lock body. To put inside and type the screw. If the hole is small or bigger, just use a drill to change it. You can see, and now take out the installation paper we sent you. There has a hole size, and you just put this in on the door, on the lock, and pay attention. You need to put the right way of the paper to the middle of the hole. The other side must be the same, in the middle of the hole. Take notice of this. This is very important. And use a pen to make a note on the lock. And now we have two pair of the screw we sent in the package. For the single bolt, also in the middle of the hole. Remember this. Now we set the panel. Pay attention, it must be the right direction towards to the triangle. Left is double bolt, the right is single bolt. And now put inside, and you can see it is set very well. And use your hand to hold the lock, and now connect the wires of the two panels. Now hide the wire into the hole of the lock or the door, and put inside the screw and tight it. So now all the steps are ready. Test the lock if it is working. It's the unlock, it's the anti-lock function. Check all the functions that are ready. That's work. This is a fingerprint. And a key. To test if it is working, there has two keys in the package. And also there has a USB port for the emergency unlock.